sabi niya hindi daw niya endorse si Jinggoy. So parang how do you reconcile po yung kumbaga parang contrasting statements?
Number one, sabi ko nga, si President Duterte he's the president, so he has that prerogative na pumili ng kanyang mga kandidato, personal choices niya as candidates for senators, plus of course yung sa partido nila sa PDP, and then ang hukom ay meron ding different set of senators. Yes. And magkaiba naman kami ni President Duterte na individuals. So, what his opinion or his thoughts are is not necessarily the same as my opinion.